How to log in Snapchat with recovery code. If any day you are a Snapchat user and you would like to log in to your Snapchat with your recovery code because you do not remember your password in Snapchat, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. After you launch it, now you have to go to your login section. After you tap in your login section, now here you can tap on your username or the email. Now, after you tap on your username or email, now if you do not remember your password and you need a security code to just log in, you can tap on the option of the very forgot your password. Now you have two of the ways. Either you can just reset your password via phone by receiving the security code in your phone, and the second way is via email. Now after that you can go to the option of send the confirmation code. After just tapping on that, now when you tap on that, now you can see the next interface like this. Now after you see next interface like this, you have to wait for a while. Now here you can see the various kind of accounts in the Snapchat. Now again you have to tap on your email here, and after you tap on your email here, now you have to just submit, and after you submit it, now in your Gmail section on your mobile device, you can find the security code that Snapchat had sent, and you can just select the Snapchat code and tap on it there, and you will be logged into your very Snapchat account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.